Hello everyone, this is Nate with Laterpress, and in this video I am going to show you how to use our custom number feature. So to do that, you're going to need to get into a book. So here we have our Laterpress collection, and I have made a book special for the sake of this video, Fun with Numbers. So we're going to go in, there's currently 0 chapters, but we'll go in here and edit this. And in details here, Fun with Numbers. Right at the bottom of the details screen is where you can see custom chapter numbering. By default, that is turned off. Just click here to turn that on and save. And that will have custom numbering turned on. So now I'm going to go and make some chapters and we'll show you what this looks like. So once you have custom numbering turned on, you will see here the custom numbering box. This text field allows up to 25 characters, and as you can see here, I put in content advisory. So though it's called custom numbering, it doesn't have to specifically be numbers, but you can put in something else there, and then a title, and then your normal chapter content. Okay, so I have created several chapters using custom numbering. Now, when you get to the chapter menu, this is what you will see. Instead of a regular chapter 1, chapter 2, what have you, you will see what you put in for the custom numbering in gray on the left here, and the chapter title is in black on the right. So I created a few different examples as to what you could conceivably use this for. Front matter, before you get into the meat of the book, like content warnings, a glossary of terms. If you want to have a prologue, you can name it as a prologue without it being a chapter number. If your book is divided into, sub-books, acts, scenes, parts, the 25 characters is wide enough that you should be able to do things like part 1, chapter 7. This is like 23 characters here. This is pretty close to the limit, but just wanted to go far to show how much you can fit in there in terms of creating your own names for how the chapters are structured. Okay, and I temporarily made this book live so you can see our fun with numbers and see what those custom numbers look like live. So we'll go read now. And at the top of the screen, you see content advisory was the custom number, reader beware, and the content of the chapter. Again, glossary of terms, your custom number appears up at the top. The chapter title is bigger, and then your text, prologue. You get the idea. Book 1, Act 1, Scene 1. So your custom numbers appear exactly like that. So it's a nice, pretty straightforward feature to use. Gives you the freedom to define your own terms on how a book is structured. I hope that helps. Enjoy setting up your books through custom numbering.